Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure someone go support the EP.
I'm going to sleep in this, brother. What the bomb? Then a man see us sleep. Watch out. He might go down, He might go to blood. No. Me bomb blood. He might dip. He might dip again. One more dip. Me bomb clot. Me blood clot.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, want to find the Gaza station? Welcome to the channel at Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm room. I don't know. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, I feel like this story was important to cover because it again proves, viewers and subscribers, that the government is indeed wrong and dancehall artists have long been big contributors to the GDP and also to the creation of jobs for Jamaicans locally. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel and Popcorn are leading by example once again. Now, when Vybz Kartel started the Street Vibes Rum line, it was slated, viewers and subscribers, to be a multi-billion-dollar initiative, meaning a company that would generate billions of Jamaican dollars even just by exporting the product overseas. Now, viewers and subscribers, big up to Julius Garvey. He could have chosen to work with any Rastafarian or reggae artist. However, he chose a dancehall artist, and this initiative is a partnership. And I like what some of the artists do. Yes, them, you know what I mean? An endorsement that. You don't know. Big up all artists who have parlayed their musical influence into becoming influencers of different things. You know what I mean? So it's a good look overall, but this is different. This is a partnership between the Unruly Entertainment and the Essential Farms, of which Dr. Julius Garvey is the CEO. Now Popcorn was quoted as saying, "We have big plans for the cannabis initiative." I'm going to say big up to Vybz Kartel. His estate, yes, has partnered with the biggest papers line to hit Jamaica since the Red Pack Rizzler itself, Lion Pride. If you don't see the commercial, go and go check it out. No! Now, viewers and subscribers, he says a facility is being built that will be on the job training ground for the cannabis farmers, making them fully qualified with educated experience. He also said something that I think will soon be in the works for the Gaza Nation as well. He said the product will be available online at the Unruly shop for worldwide shipping, and definitely it'll be in Kingston and Jamaica. Of course, I'm tired of the people who make products that are not available for Jamaica but yet still promote and market them here locally. On it better there, big up Unruly for saying and stating that. He says he will be announcing all locations worldwide soon, but the product will be available for the global market. He also said the tourist factor. He says the property will be a 200-acre gold mine, in his own words, and it will be a tourist attraction as well, with both an indoor greenhouse and an outdoor plantation. He said people will be flying in to visit because that is the way they will be setting the premises so people could pass through and see the different stages of the grow, which will be good. I mean, we have long been respected for our soil, our soil. If some, I found him some people that talk about the pronunciations. I want to know. I think the whole of there saw the yardy. Big up all of the foreigners who check in. You know what I mean? Big up for the support all the time. But yo, certain words we just pronounce them like a yardy. I am a yardy. I don't know what I feel like. But here I go on. It'll be a good look to see different stages of the growth. As I will say, people have long respected us for our technique being foundation in the whole trade. Big up Afghan, you know what I mean? Even the Mexican that do them thing too. Big up all the people who are foundation, but Jamaica has long been respected globally in this market. And for years, viewers and subscribers, the powers that be have tricked the people that this would not have been a lucrative cash crop, even though we have proven them wrong worldwide that generate billions of dollars. But they were saying that because internationally different countries might have classed it as a level 1 or level 2, level 3. You know what I mean? They were saying that if we had chosen to legalize fully, we would have, gotten a certain level of fight from overseas entities. Them did wrong. And even if it was so, viewers and subscribers, they were not abreast of the changes being made worldwide, which is what we pay our lawmakers and our people in parliament to do. For no war go on worldwide so we can compete on a global level. What them they do then? If them never know say America that go legalize over a certain state, and them never know say places like Canada that go legalize, then what them know? Isaac Buchanan make a statement. People who do not know the law should not be put on boards and panels. And I am also saying that people who do not know to run the country should not be elected to do so. Some have stated, plain and straight. There's no going around this. Now, there's also the statement that dancehall music is actually degrading the culture. We are burn the fire till it. Hey, listen to me. This is proof again that dancehall artists, as I said at the starting of the vlog, have long been big contributors of job creation for Jamaicans. Even I say locally when it started, but I'm gonna say even internationally, because they are dancehall promoters and selectors overseas, as well as artists that live in overseas countries. Them not just visit over there. That is where them live. And a dancehall music them do for provide for them people. That is the career that they have chosen. It is very lucrative. As a matter of fact, locally, people will say this. Dancehall music has long been that music that has always helped out who they consider as lower class. The people who never get the big degrees, who never make it to tertiary level education, but still we're able to provide for them family and even build big houses on the hill and live a lifestyle that some would feel like them would never be able to live, based on the fact that their level of employment at the time or their level of education. So dancehall music viewers and subscribers has long been celebrated and looked at for even the economic standpoint for people of the inner city for years. But for some, I'm not gonna say all, because you have enough uptown people who have their hand in the music sector, and that's just the truth and the fact. Enough people have their hand in the music sector, but for the better part, the ones who them can control and can use, them celebrate those. But for the better part, them try to demonize dancehall with every turn. And here we have son of Mr. Garvey. I said no, the dancehall artist I'm gonna link with, because in this day and age everything fresh. And as what them say, it's a line of products. So it's not just the tea bag. Why? Tea bag up for the ladies. And not just the tea bag, they might have a whole line of products. Him say, he might look on the holistic value. So the wellness mentally and physically of all of his customers. That's what Popcorn was quoted as saying. So, it's gonna be a whole line of different products. But keep in mind, it's just this tea I go do extremely well overseas. Some people don't know, you see a pack of, it's the Cersei. I will make it a Grace. Remember who make the Cersei tea in the bag. Yo, it sell like hot bread overseas. All Jamaicans have a pack of that in their house. I'm not ask you. Something I tell you, I don't know all Jamaicans, but we are based it off of statistics. You know how we go to work. Majority of Jamaicans residing overseas have a pack have that scarcity in the cupboard just for safekeeping. I remember say I only pass sweets a bit. See me? But something like this, me I tell you, say I go into the household of everybody who is a fan of the plant itself. Know what I mean? It's a dancehall artist and the son of Garvey link up and deal with it. Says a good look. We'd have a talk about this. So, you know what I mean? Let me know how I feel. Vybz the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding them now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you to click the subscribe icon and the bell icon right after that, and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and post a share. Tell a friend, if you tell a friend, if you tell them sister, them brother, them. If you check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions right there. We can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know the something more why when I get to it speedily, but we do get to it. You know the something go up move settings for man until we reason again. My sentiments for you and yours is of course for to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.